Welcome, today in front of me Huawei MatePad 10.4 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So to do that, we should launch the app gallery, and after that here into the search pool enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, that's why tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application installing on your device, then just click here to open. Let's just here tap to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, tap to OK, again tap OK and go back. Then click here to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So switch it. Now we can see that the process is finished, and let's just go somewhere, for example here into the search, to see the look of new our device keyboard. And now we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one. So let's just let's just see, and also we can see here the emojis there, so also so close to the iPhone emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.